Here's a 2016 Buick Regal. Make an impression in this expectation-shattering Regal. The race-inspired accents hint at the thrilling ride ahead. Features include Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, dual-zone climate control, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. From New Car Test Drive, we found the Regal very quiet with a very smooth ride, a welcome respite on miserable commutes, and a good partner for cross-country drives. It may be the quietest car in its class. Experience a different kind of luxury with a Buick. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.